Hey, this is Peter Fichtner. I'm an account executive with Symphony Technology Solutions in our office outside of Atlanta here in Marietta. We're a low voltage design build contractor, and we've got offices in Charlotte and Nashville and resources throughout the Southeast. We like to provide design and build services for low voltage. And we have a lot of pre-construction ability as well when it comes to the various systems that we execute, such as access control, cameras, voice data, as well as public safety and cellular distributed antenna systems, audiovisual, pretty much everything that's in Division 27 and 28 except fire alarm. Working with Brasfield and Gorrie has been different than working with a lot of other general contractors as far as the level of support that they provided. The EQUIP program has been really instrumental, kind of helped us get our foot in the door with some marketing events for this current project that we're working on with Brasfield and Gorrie over at the Braves ATM. And it was a great way for us to stay on top of updates with the project. And sometimes when you work with the pre-construction team, they get busy and you don't hear back from them for a while. So the EQUIP program was a way for me to stay plugged into what was going on and to kind of keep my foot on the gas when it came to chasing this particular project with Brasfield and Gorrie. So we're currently working for Henderson Electric under Brasfield and Gorrie to execute the emergency responder radio communication system at the Braves ATM project. That's been a really good experience so far. Brasfield's on top of it. Their electrician Henderson's on top of it, and they know a lot when it comes to low voltage as well. So it's been overall a great experience. We often prefer to work directly as the prime for GCs or for owners. But in this case, this has worked out well also. So it kind of, goes to show how Brasfield handles their trade partners in a good way.